Isaac, and I wanted to make this video of my baby bird. So I found this bird. It was abandoned on the streets. It's a baby one. It was on the streets near a car park, and I found it. This is a noisy miner. It's sleeping right now. There's water, food, and some towels, and I made him a heat pad. You can tell it's warm because it's red here. Yeah, it is warm. Yeah, so there's also towels and rags, and I made a little cave for him to go into here, a snuggling place. Yeah, so I thought of the name Squeakers. I can't tell if it's a girl or a boy yet, but at first he was very nervous. I discovered him while I was walking on the street down, and yeah, I found him. I heard some birds screaming inside, and I thought, why would a bird make so much noise? And then I discovered it was him. There's some bread also. This is my first time finding a baby bird. I have 4 pet birds in my place. Yeah, he's a noisy miner, native to Australia. And I'm in Australia, Sydney, New South Wales. There's lots of them around here. Aren't you a little cutie baby? Yeah, and this is first time here. Oh, you want to snuggle up in the heat tub? You wanna? Okay. Open it. Who's a little baby? Yeah, so this is his place. Right now it's spring in Australia, and I found out these will drop out of the nest a lot. I'm not sure if he's a fledgling or not, but he's very young. He doesn't eat out of a syringe, as far as I know. I just got him today. And yeah. What are you doing? You're a little cute. This is a noisy miner. There's lots of them in my park. Who's a little squeakers? Who's sleepy? Yeah, so he's a wild. He's not a tamed bird. Yeah, when he grows older, I might get him in a harness because the other birds I trained didn't go so well, my budgies. So I'm planning to build an aviary in the future when I get a new house. If you don't know, I'm actually from Hong Kong, and I came here on holiday, and now I've been here for 6 months, which is about half a year. So yeah, I think this will end the video. Thanks.